Empathy, meaning, pronunciation, empathy, meaning. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings, thoughts, or experiences of another person. It involves seeing things from someone else's perspective and feeling what they are going through. Simple meaning, empathy equals understanding and sharing someone else's feelings. Common uses. 1. Empathy noun. The ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. Example: she showed great empathy for the victims of the natural disaster. 2. Empathy noun. Psychological. The capacity to recognize emotions in others and respond appropriately. Example: a good therapist uses empathy to help clients express their emotions. 3. Empathy noun. Social. Understanding the emotional experiences of people from different backgrounds or situations. Example: empathy is crucial for building strong relationships and friendships. Examples: daily use sentences. 1. He felt a lot of empathy for his friend who was going through a tough time. 2. Doctors need empathy to connect with their patients and offer proper care. 3. Her empathy for the elderly made her a great volunteer at the nursing home. 4. Showing empathy in the workplace can help reduce conflicts and improve teamwork. 5. After hearing her story, I had a deep sense of empathy for what she had endured. Real-life explanation. Empathy is about understanding other people's emotions and experiences. It goes beyond sympathy, as it involves actively feeling what another person is going through, rather than just acknowledging it.